Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a RUJIPO brand heated blanket and it's not working, and it might even be flashing an error code on the controller, and you're wondering what you can do about it to get rid of it and get your blanket working again. So with these blankets, the number one reason that you're going to get an error and it's not going to be working right is that it's going to be not getting enough electricity. So it's getting enough electricity obviously for the controller to show you an error, but it's not enough to actually run the heating element. And this is going to be because of a poor connection somewhere. So all you need to do to fix this is, first of all, turn it off and unplug it from the wall. And then just check all the connections going in and out of the controller, in and out of the blanket. Make sure there's nothing frayed or anything like that, or any disconnected wires. And then you also want to check, plug it directly into the wall, not into a power strip or into an extension cord. And if it starts working again when it hadn't been working on an extension cord, well, then you know that that extension cord is just not heavy duty enough to run that blanket, and you'll need to either run it directly from the wall or using a more heavy duty extension cord or power strip. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.